children, today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is festival we celebrate. Right? In our country, India, we celebrate many festivals. That is why our country, India, is called land of festival, right? Because people of different religions live here and they celebrate their own festival. So, I will tell you about the family festivals and religious festivals. So, you have to write the names of two things you would like to get on your birthday, right? So, it's your homework, you will write it. Now, we look forward to some special days throughout the year. हम ये स्पेशल डेज किसके साथ सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, रिलेटिव्स के साथ एंड दीज स्पेशल ओकेजन्स आर कॉल्ड फेस्टिवल। इन स्पेशल ओकेजन्स को क्या बोला जाता है? फेस्टिवल बोला जाता है। मैंने आपको बताया कि इंडिया को क्या बोला जाता है? लैंड ऑफ फेस्टिवल। नाउ फैमिली फेस्टिवल, देखो फैमिली फेस्टिवल क्या होता है? जो आपकी फैमिली से रिलेटेड होता है, लाइक बर्थडे, एनिवर्सरी, वेडिंग। तो ये सब क्या हो गए? आपके फैमिली फेस्टिवल हो गए। सो बर्थडे इज अ फैमिली फेस्टिवल, वी सेलिब्रेट विद आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स, दे ब्रिंग प्रेजेंट्स फॉर अस, वी सिंग एंड डांस एंड वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन। ठीक है, हम सिंग करते हैं, गाते हैं, डांस करते हैं और बहुत फन करते हैं एंड एवरी वन विशेज हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Now, wedding is also a family festival. We dress up in a fine clothes on wedding. We eat special food. Many people attended. We meet with our occasion. We have lot of fun, right? So it's a wedding. ये भी क्या होता है? आपका family festival होता है, right? So then we have religious festival. These are those festival which are celebrated by the people of different religion. जो अलग अलग religion के लोग होते हैं, जैसे आपके हिंदू हो गए, they celebrate Diwali, right? Holi, right? So we have Christians, those who celebrate Christmas. We have Muslims, वो ईद उल फितर celebrate करते हैं, right? ईद भी कहते हैं उसको. And if we talk about Sikh, what they celebrate? They celebrate Guru Parv. So these all are the different festivals that are celebrated by the people of different religion. So festival which are celebrated by the people of different religion are called religious festival. If we talk about Diwali, what is Diwali? Festival of light. People decorate their house. लोग अपने घरों को decorate करते हैं with beautiful lights, flowers, right? And everyone cleans their house. They worship whom? Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha, right? And we share gifts and sweets with our friends and relatives, and the children fire crackers on Diwali night. So what we call it? Festival of light. And Goddess Lakshmi, it's a what? It is the goddess of wealth. Like you can see in the image, children are celebrating Diwali over here. Then next is Guru Parv. I have told you that Guru Parv is celebrated by the people of Sikh religion, right? What they do, they celebrate the birthday of their Sikh Guru, that is Guru's Sikh prayers in Gurudwaras. और आपने देखा होगा all the Gurudwaras, they are celebrated at that time and people give food to the poor, and Guru Parv is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti, right? Then we have Eid. Comes after Ramzan, Muslims go to mosque to mass prayer, they greet each other और वो क्या कहते हैं? ईद मुबारक। और एक important sweet dish prepare करी जाती है जिसका नाम है सिवैया. You can see here. Then we have Christmas, birthday of Jesus Christ, right? What children think? Santa Claus will come and give gifts to them. On this day, Christians go to church in mass prayer and they decorate Christmas tree, right? Like this, Christmas is celebrated. What all were these? These were the religious festivals that is celebrated. Here this fun zone is given. You have to find out 14 names of the festival. उसमें religious भी हो सकते हैं, national भी हो सकते हैं और harvest भी हो सकते हैं. It's your duty. I am telling you one how you will highlight. Like this is what Republic Day, and Republic Days are national festival and it's just celebrated by the people all over the country, right? Like this, what is this? This is Pongal, right? This is Guru Parv. Like this, I am doing only these. Other you have to do in your homework. How many festival? 14. Right? So this was all about the family festival and religious festival. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.